So are you a little confused by the cast iron, the difference between enameled cast iron and regular cast iron? Well, you wouldn't be the first person. So let me give you a really quick overview of the difference between the two, all right? So here we have a regular cast iron. We have a 12-inch and a 10-inch cast iron skillet. And then we also have our super, super cute 5.5-inch skillets that come as a set too. Okay, that's regular cast iron. Then we have our, well, we'll start here, our 6-quart Dutch oven, enameled cast iron Dutch oven, our 4-quart enameled cast iron skillet with lid, our 2.5-quart baker, and our 1-quart baker. Okay, those are the pieces we have. Now, what is the difference? Well, here, let's just hold these two up. So, if you are a camper, this is what you want. Because this can be, the enameled cast iron can be used on the stovetop and in the oven, and it's heat sensitive or heat resistant to 500 degrees. But regular cast iron can be used on the stovetop, in the oven, under the broiler, on a grill, and over open flame. And it is heat resistant to 650 degrees. Okay, so if you are somebody who likes to light a fire and make your bacon and eggs over that fire, this is what you want. If you're a normal human being who has embraced modern technology, this is what you want. I'm not much of a camper, what can I say? All right, but what's the downside? This one needs to be seasoned, and you don't want to wash regular cast iron with soapy water. What you want to do is, it comes with a pan scraper. You're going to scrape it with that, use warm water, dry it really good, and then apply a little bit of oil, a vegetable oil, a canola oil, something like that, to it, and then generally and a very light coat. And then what I do is I actually leave it in a warm oven or on the stovetop for just a little bit so it absorbs that oil, and boom, that's it. And that's going to keep it from rusting. Rusting is not an issue with enameled cast iron because it's enameled. It does not need to be seasoned, and in fact, it can be put in the dishwasher. All right, how awesome is that? So this does not need to be babied. This edge right here and the inside edge of the lid is not enameled, so after you run to the dishwasher, you're going to want to go ahead and take a towel, your little tea towel, and just dry it a little bit so it doesn't rust, okay? So again, this one you cannot wash with soap and water. This one, it actually goes into the dishwasher. This one, you can use metal utensils on. It is not going to scratch. Fabulous, metal utensils. This one, no metal utensils. You're going to want to use something like our whisk with the silicone lid on it because you do not want to scratch that enameled. Both of them, lifetime warranty, y'all. Lifetime warranty. The difference is that the enameled on this one is not lifetime warranty, so do not drop it, okay? It doesn't chip easily, but you know, this one you could drop. You're going to break your floor before you're going to break your cast iron. But both of them do have a lifetime warranty. Now, while I'm talking to you, I'm going to show you one more thing. These do not come with a lid, but you can get our stretch silicone lids that are heat resistant to 450 degrees, and they pop right on here. They come in 3 sizes. We also have round ones, which are great for, you can use for your cast iron. All right, but these are really super. So these are great lids, and you can use them in the freezer, or you can use them in a casserole. You can use them when you're carrying places. But again, heat resistant to 450 degrees. So these will actually be the lids that you're gonna have available in rectangular and round, 3 different sizes. And that really is it. I will show you one more thing. Both the new skillet and the Dutch oven both have these bumps on the inside of the lid. And the idea of that is that as liquid condenses up here, it condenses on here as the steam condenses, and then it's going to rain down moisture on your dish so that it doesn't dry out while you're cooking. All right, I will tell you, you want cast iron. Whether you want enameled or regular cast iron, get it. It has a heat retention quality that no other metals do. None of your other pans will. But more importantly to me is that they are heirloom pieces. I have 3 things that belong to my grandmother. I have her chair, I have her salad bowl, and I have one of her cast iron skillets. And I will pass that down to my daughter one day. And it is literally an heirloom, and it will not wear out. And my grandmother cooked in it, I cooked in it, and generations can cook in it. You buy one of our cast iron pieces, whether it's the enameled or regular, and it too will become an heirloom. And those are treasures. All right, let me know if you have any questions.